Hi friends, this is lesson 9-7, skip counting by fives, tens, and hundreds. So the first thing I want to do is to quickly review skip counting by those numbers. So let's start with 5. 5, 10. Hopefully you're thinking in your head what comes next. 15, 20. What's next? 25, 30. Good. Next, we're going to start to skip count by 10. 10, 20, 30. Are you counting with me? 40, 50, 60. And I know you guys can count all the way up to 100, skip counting by tens. Let's try hundreds. 100, 200, 300. What would come next? 100, 200, 300, 400. What's next? 500. Good. And you can keep skip counting by hundreds. So these are some important things that you need to know how to do to help you be successful in this lesson. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at numbers on a number line. We need to figure out what are they skip counting by and what is the next number. So I'm going to read to you the numbers: 200, 205, 210, 215. Can you already see what we're skip counting by? This looks a lot like skip counting by fives to me. And I'm going to double check. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put the place value on top of each of the numbers. So H is for hundreds, T is for tens, and O is for ones. H, T, O, H, T, O, H, T, O. Let's look at the hundreds place. Hundreds, 2. Hundreds, 2. Hundreds, 2. Hundreds, 2. All of the hundreds are 2. How about tens? 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Kind of sounds like a pattern to me. How about the ones place? 0, 5, 0, 5. Oh, another pattern. And if I look at the tens and ones, I can see the pattern of the fives, starting with 0, 5, 10, 15, 200, 205, 210, 215. What do you think the next number is going to be? Well, I know my hundreds place, I'm going to put an H there for hundreds, is going to be 2 because I'm going to stick with that pattern. And then I'm going to think about skip counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. What comes next? 20. So here we are skip counting by fives. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. 500, 510, 520, 530, 540. Any patterns emerging that you notice? I notice, again, if I put my place value on HTO, and I'm going to start with my greatest place value, which is the hundreds place. And I see all of the hundreds place have a 5. 5, 5, 5. That's a pattern. How about my tens place? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I think I can guess what's next. Ones place, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Do you know what we're skip counting by this time? Tens. Here they are. 10, 20, 30, 40. What's going to come next? Well, I'm going to put my HTO, and I know from my pattern 500, 5 in the hundreds place in each one, that my hundreds place is going to be 5. I know that I'm skip counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. I know my next tens is going to be a 5, 50. This one is skip counting by tens. Let's look at the next one. 100, 200, 300, 400. This one's pretty easy, huh? They are skip counting by hundreds. What's the next number? 500. Okay, let's take a look at a word problem. And it says, Jen is skip counting. She writes 340, 345, 350. She wants to write 3 more numbers after 350. What should they be? Well, the first thing I want to do is write down these numbers that she already used. 340, 345, 350. And now I need to add on the next 3 numbers after 350. Do you see a pattern? Here's what I see. I see that each of the hundreds place is a 3. And then I look at the tens and the ones. And I see 40, 45, 50. That reminds me of skip counting by fives. They're skip counting by fives here. 340, 345, 350. What's going to be next? Well, I know that hundreds place is the same in each one, so I know it's going to be a 3. If I'm skip counting by fives, 40, 45, 50, what's next? 55. What's going to be my next number? 355. 300. There's my hundreds. 55, 60. Tens, ones. And I'm going to bring this down here. My next number, I know my hundreds is a 3. 55, 60, 65. These are the next 3 numbers skip counting by fives. Go ahead and do lesson 9-7 in Pearson. Hopefully this little preview will help you.